Hey guys, this is Harry with UBR Tech, and today's video is going to be a quick unboxing of the AirPods Pro and maybe a quick comparison to the second generation AirPods. So let's do it real quick. This is the side, back, other side, the front. Let's just take this. Signed by Apple in California. Probably just a bunch of paperwork. Give you some instructions on how to use them, how they operate, and then there they are. So let's put this aside. They feel heavier. These are the other sizes for the I guess the little rubber pieces that go into the ear canal. There they go. It's upside down. So I got small and large, and I would assume medium is already installed. So we'll get back to that later. Put that aside. Here is USB-C to Lightning cable right there. And nothing else. So let's put that back in there. Put these back in here, like that. And let's take the AirPods back in the frame. Peel this off. They feel heavier. There they go. Same button in the back, same charging port. It's just wider. These are my AirPods 2 with a case on it. The case is completely different. The actual earbuds are different. I think even the size of them are different. So this is what it looks like. And so this piece right here, from my understanding, you're supposed to be able to squeeze it and it'll do, I guess, certain functions like turning on transparency mode, noise cancellation, and turning off both. And so there's like a bunch of new sensors. There's a microphone inside the part that goes in your ear, and there's also a microphone somewhere down here, somewhere in this area. I'm not sure. There it is. So it's right there. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that on camera, but right there. As you can see, there is a difference as far as length on the little stem, and it's thicker. So there's some differences. So it might stick out of your ear a little less with the AirPods Pro, but supposedly there's a difference with the sound from the AirPods 2 to the AirPods Pro. It's supposed to have better sound, more bass. I think the biggest thing you're going to notice is the noise cancellation and transparency mode. Those are going to be the big things. Also with the AirPods 1 and 2, to do any type of functions as far as like skipping ahead for music or answering a phone call or pausing a song, it's all done with tapping. So what you would do is you would tap on the AirPod. So let's say this was in your ear. You would tap on the AirPod and then it would respond to whatever you had programmed for that tap. You could program like the right AirPod to do one function and the left AirPod to do a different function for a double tap. For these AirPod Pros, the area right here that I was showing you before, this area with that little etched out part, when you squeeze that, double click, you could set up different functions. Double click would be like a skipping forward. Triple click would go back a song. Click and hold, I think, does the switching between transparency mode and noise canceling and turning everything off. But that is a real quick look at the differences between the AirPod Pros and the AirPod 2s. I don't think they're calling the AirPod 2s, but the original AirPods, I guess you could say. They're both wireless charging. This is another thing I forgot to mention, is that when you put this on a wireless charger, the little light in the front, it just like fades away, so you don't really know if they're 100% charged yet. I heard that when you have these on the charger, if you tap on the case, the light will show. If it's red, it means it's still charging, and if it's green, it means it's fully charged. So that's a nice little feature that they added. But I mean, other than that, I can't think of anything else that is different. If you have any questions about something with the AirPods Pros, as far as like how they are different from the AirPods original that I didn't already cover, put them in the comments and I'll try to make another video, or just answer the question in the comments. If you want me to do more videos on the AirPod Pros as far as like quality, review, that kind of stuff, put that in the comments as well. I'll try to get to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. This has been Harry with UBR Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.